Do you have an error with the M.dll DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get your development software working again. As we get into the manual process for M.dll, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the M.dll, often referred to as the libm port for Windows. This library provides standard mathematical functions such as sine, cosine, and log calculations for C and C++ applications. It is frequently bundled with cross-platform scientific software or game engines that require platform-independent math routines. When this file is reported as missing, the application loses its ability to perform high-precision geometric calculations, resulting in a fatal error during the physics or rendering initialization phase. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. M is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan, now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including M.dll. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. If you're attempting to register M.dll DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If M.dll is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. To keep M.dll running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.